My name is Ruth. I'm a fourth-year medical student. Being a medical student in the Hebrew University is not a simple thing. Officially, it's 5 days a week, but when you study in one of the best universities in the world, you have to give it all you've got. There is so much to learn from the best hospitals, best professors, best doctors, that my studies must be my top priority. I don't know if I would be here if not for the generous scholarship that I have received for the last 4 years. I am a living proof scholarships can change lives. In many cases, scholarships provide an opportunity for advancement. They allow students like me to focus purely on studying. They help prevent the stress that can arise from economic hardships. Providing scholarships allows the university to be a more equitable institution. By being inclusive and encouraging voices from a variety of backgrounds, we allow for more diverse ideas, better innovations, and more fruitful research. For me, my scholarship gave me a feeling the university believes I should be here, and that someone, somewhere is on my side. They make me aspire to be great and share that greatness with others. I hope one day to become a Hebrew University friend myself and help a student fulfill his or her potential. So I guess I'm saying that the Hebrew University creates ripples of knowledge, relationship, and philanthropy across the globe. Hebrew University offers students from all backgrounds a chance to create a better world.